Hi all. So this is the fifth episode in our series of Claude Code course. So welcome back to this Claude Code course. So in this episode we are going to look at your second use chatting with Claude Code. So in the previous set of videos we saw how to create a Claude account with Pro subscription, and also we installed Claude Code, and we also ran our basic slash commands login and logout. So in this, let's look at chatting with Claude Code. So now let me move on to VS Code. So as you can see in VS Code, now I have already logged in. So now what I will do is I'll start chatting with Claude Code, and let me let me just ask it to create again. So it is asking, okay, now it is a better response. It explains a little bit more, and now here's the code. Would you like me to create this file in the current directory, create it in a specific location, or would you prefer to create it manually, and I can guide you. So let me know how you would like to proceed. So you can basically chat with it, um, and you can say, for example, I will say create in this directory itself. So now I'm chatting with it, it's able to understand. You can see that it has actually created the file, and also VS Code has recognized that it's a Java file, and it's asking me about installing the extension pack for Java, right? So in this video, I just wanted to basically show a use case of chatting with Claude Code and how it helps you, for example, write programs, right? And also you can, in future episode, I'll also show how it helps you to analyze our existing code base and extend your code. Yeah. Thanks for watching this episode. Bye.